Good morning. I just woke up to the news of Claude launching Claude Science. So I thought, why not do a video on it? And here I am. Without any further ado, let's quickly jump in, shall we? I am bringing up my screen. So, yes, you just type Claude Science, and the first link that comes up, you go onto it. You can find under go to your regular Claude website and look for the different products that's available, and you can find Claude Science over here. And now, when you click on Get Started with Claude, it usually kind of like brings you to this specific page for you to download it. I guess it's currently available for Mac OS. I'm not sure about that. I'll leave the link to other OSs if it's available in the description. But anyways, once you've downloaded it, I've already downloaded it. You just like install it like your regular Mac application, and when you launch it, it would ask you this specific question. So I'm just like, I just got here before starting to record this video, and I wanted to do it together along with you. All right. So I see that it is asking us to connect to the scientific web, which means it's connecting to all of these different sources like NCBI, NIH, genomics, biology, all of these different genomes, I guess. Yeah, so basically it is connecting to a bunch of different databases, which is a good thing. And it also kind of asks us to like provide an authorization so to Claude so that it uses optional enabled resources on our behalf. The standard stuff. I'm going to click on continue. And now connectors and skills. Okay, I think these are the different connectors. You can check and check whichever connector you want and you don't want. I think today I'll check clinical trials repository because that's something that I've worked with before, and genes and ontologies as well. Wow, these are pretty much amazing, good connectors, I'd say, from working in a healthcare organization for like around 4+ years. I can say that these are pretty much good list of connectors. So there are also a bunch of directories that you can pick from. Let's just let's there is this Elicit library, which is up, a tool that can help you to search and analyze scientific papers. I think I'm gonna go with whatever is like enabled right now, and there are a bunch of skills. AlphaFold 2 skill, which means it might even help you predict protein structure. The famous Nobel Prize winning AlphaFold 2. This is pretty awesome if you think about it. Wow. There are a bunch of other skills as well. I cannot wait to try all of these. Anyway, I'm continuing. What do you work on? Okay, I think it's getting started. Okay, this is like to suggest starter tasks that fit your work. So maybe what I'll do is I'm simply a researcher who is trying to understand Claude Science by exploring a bunch of different databases, maybe do a little bit of a genome analysis, understand a little bit about protein structure. So basically, I think if you are actually a scientist working in this industry, your answer would be even more structured and detailed. You can even attach a paper that you're working on or some paper that is your actual reference and get started with it, I guess. So we're just gonna click on continue right now. And where should we start? It's thinking based on the starter task that I just gave it. Let's give it a while. Pull a gene from ensemble NCBI and analyze it. Fetch a protein structure and explore it. Survey what's in the major biology databases. Okay, this looks interesting. Fetch a protein structure and explore it. You can do whatever starter task that it suggests for you based on yours. I was clicking on this. Oh, we can choose multiple. So probably I'll choose. Oh, sorry. I think we can choose only one. So fetching a protein structure sounds awesome. Now, it's fetching a protein structure, I guess. And by default, it uses Opus 4.8, which is good. Okay, I'm approaching my plan limit, typical. Anyway, I'm going to keep going. Hopefully, I don't hit my plan usage. Okay. Oh, this is actually creating, a work studio for you, which is actually nice. Meaning, it would run a bunch of Python. It pulls in BioPython package. I can see. I'm just gonna do, yeah, allow for this conversation. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's running a tool, and I think it's creating the environment at the back end. So even if you are someone who works in the bioinformatics space, but you're not like too comfortable with Python or any language, you're just getting started, I think this is a good start for you. It sets everything up for you, and I'm pretty sure that we'll be able to visualize the protein structure by the end of this video. Let's see. But in any case, what I'm going to do is basically, because I'm approaching my weekly usage limit, I'm going to go on to Claude and kind of enable extra usage so that this session does not get interrupted, Let me do that while this is getting run. Okay, so it wrote me a bunch of code. Okay, it called a bunch of packages and stuff like that. And okay, it's like just like reading a specific file using those packages. I'm going to allow this for this conversation. This is what I was talking about. Basically, so I'm gonna go on to my settings, usage, and see, I'm almost like at 85%. So I'm gonna enable this usage credits so that even if my credits run out, the Claude still keeps running. All right. So now back to our Claude Science. As you can see, it runs on your local host. All right. So it's not like your data is like going out. I mean, technically it is because it still uses Claude, the cloud models. So basically, your data is the API call is like going to Claude and then giving you the answer based on the results from there. But I think whatever you generate, the results from it, or whatever you upload your sensitive information, is not stored anywhere, is what I meant. All right. So it parsed, it faced a little bit of an error. I mean, Claude always fixes its own error. Loading structure. It is loading a protein structure, I guess. It's analyzing composition ligands, loaded a skill. Awesome. And it installed matplotlib, a pretty old library. Now, okay, it's installing right now. So I'm going to allow this for this conversation. This is pretty cool. I mean, for anybody who has done a protein structure exploration before, you know how complex it can be, right? You have to like manually pull the protein structure, install a bunch of, I don't know, it has a unique separate extension. It's not your regular files that you use. So, and you have to write this code, which you previously wrote it for us to pull the file and load it. And also to visualize it, you have to write a separate bunch of code. Again, with Claude, you would be able to do it, but this is like focused to science. So let's see what the output looks like. Ah, okay, this is nice. So it has pulled me a protein called human deoxyhemoglobin. Okay, it's our hemoglobin. Nice, right? It gave me two different images. Okay, this is pretty awesome. I don't think I'm doing justice to the kind of thing this specific Claude Science could do because I have not worked in healthcare for a very long time. But I can see that, for somebody who does the work, yeah, this is the file that I was mentioning, PDB files. How do you even view it? And then it generated a three-panel summary in this specific format. which is pretty cool, if you ask me. In just, I don't know, how long has it been? Like, not even 5 minutes, and we already have a protein structure visualization for us. And what I could do next with this, compare oxy versus deoxyhemoglobin, structure to sequence to gene. This is awesome. Anybody who is watching right now, how does it make you feel? I mean, stick figure of it, pure image of it, all kinds of visualization just happened within like 5 minutes of us figuring out Claude Science. This is awesome, isn't it? I think just like Claude, you can customize it anytime you want. It also lets you manage your compute. So you can connect to any of your local hosts, I guess, connect to any of your cloud providers. So if you already use AWS or Azure or any other cloud provider, you can connect them. And you can even, if you're running any model right now, you can connect your endpoints as well, I think. So right now it is connecting to NVIDIA BioNemo NIM, which is, I guess, a recent model launched by NVIDIA and state of the art. I think this is pretty amazing. You also have a storage. Okay, so all of it gets stored in your local under Claude Science folder, and also it gives you a disk space of what is stored. And you can even connect it to cloud storage like AWS buckets and everything. And it has a separate usage, I guess. No, I think it uses my current usage. Okay. This is nice. Network. These are the different domains that we connected. And if your university uses some kind of a dedicated domain, I think you can add this domain as well to fetch your information. There is also specialists. I think you can create specialists just like how you would create sub agents or like skills in your actual Claude. I think you can create specialists here. So if you're writing a research paper, this is a game changer for you. So a specialist, you can create multiple specialists here. I'm like brainstorming with you right now. Maybe somebody who researches everything for you. That could be one specialist. The other specialist could be somebody who collates everything and then gives you a summary of things to be put in your research paper. And the third specialist could be somebody who is an expert in writing that research paper. Also, you can create specialists who specialize in creating content for a specific journal. This opens up a lot of different avenues, which is, I don't know. Let me know what you work out with Claude Science. It's currently available in public beta, which means anybody with a Claude subscription can use it, I guess. Even if you're on free, I think you'll be able to use it. And you also have a memory where you can add memory about information about you, which is again nice. You can add your existing research, existing style of work, and everything. So Claude will be able to kind of use it when it's generating results. This is game changing. I think this is the next frontier, which, if you think about it, is amazing. So, yeah, that's it. That's the first look into Claude Science. We are living in the future. So, I'll see you in the next video then. If you liked this and if you want more informational videos such as this, as and when new stuff drop, make sure you subscribe to my channel and drop a like so that I know you love this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.